this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to play video error on Video Prime. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this error on your Prime Video app, then most probably is because this app has encountered a glitch or a bug that might be causing this. To fix this, first you need to go to your Prime Video app and access its app info page. You can simply access the Prime Video app info page and troubleshoot it by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info or a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. If you tap on any of this, you should access Prime Video app info page. Alternatively, if this is not available, then you can access Prime Video app info page through settings. So if you go to settings, look for apps. This will list all the apps you have. If you don't see that, go to manage apps or all apps. And here you can see a list of apps you have on your phone. So just search for your app. And here we go. We have our Prime Video. If I tap on it, we are on the app info page. Go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be running in the background. And then go to clear data and clear cache. Again, go to clear all data here and confirm. Once you have done so, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Prime Video app, now you shouldn't have any issue playing your videos. However, if this didn't solve, then you need to check and ensure that you're not using any VPN, as this might be causing the issue. However, if VPN is not the issue, then check for your app any update on Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll check for Prime Video and open it, find out if we have any update your app to the latest version. Should the issue concern your app crashing, for that you'll need to uninstall and install your app to clear any bug that might be causing this issue. However, even after doing all this, if you can still play videos, then the problem might be with Amazon Prime Video servers. For that, you need to wait for some minutes and come back to your app, and now everything should be okay. So now when you open your app, now you should be able to log in and play videos without any issue. So that's how you can fix unable to play video error on your Prime Video app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.